The very first judge I worked for had a courtroom full of little kids who'd come to view the courtroom. And he was trying to describe what lawyers do. And he said, lawyers are teachers. And I thought, what a wonderful way to practice law, to teach. The Colleges of Law was founded 50 years ago in 1969 by local attorneys who felt the need to have a pipeline into the legal community here in Santa Barbara and Ventura.
If you wanted to live in the Ventura community, if you wanted to be in the Santa Barbara community and wanted to keep your day job and wanted to raise a family, that path was closed off for you.
These are students who are working adults or primary caretakers for kids or elderly adults, and we make it possible for them to still pursue their dream of obtaining a legal education.
Our mission is about access, our mission is about opportunity, our mission is about affordability.
It's at a price point that you don't have to do the second mortgage on the house. You don't have to give up on giving your kids an education so that you can get one for yourself.
We've got practicing attorneys and judges who step off the bench or out of their office and come here for 3 hours on a given night and not only impart knowledge, but the realities of practice.
You have really excellent professors who have so much real-world experience, and you're in a small group, so you absorb the knowledge in a much more intimate way.
The students here are allowed to mix with law firms, judges, the inns of court, and so by the time you get out, you're a known commodity.
This institution, it's grown its reach beyond just the borders of Santa Barbara and Ventura, and from there came a new vision to be a pioneer in modernizing legal education.
When people think of study abroad, it's common for them to think of like a semester abroad or a year abroad. What's great about this experience is it doesn't call on that. We're here together for, say, 10 days, and therefore it creates opportunity for people to have this experience that wouldn't have had it otherwise.
I think it's so important for the faculty and the students to have programs like this. It helps them get out of their normal curriculum. It helps them see things from another perspective, brings you to an environment where perhaps they're doing things completely different, and it allows you to change your method of research, your method of thinking.
It's an opportunity that you should definitely pursue. How many chances do you have to come together with a diverse group of student body and then also going out and putting yourself in a place that may be uncomfortable? We have a lot to learn from other cultures, and we should take that opportunity every chance we have.
Legal education has to evolve to not just come at students where they're at, but evolve in a way where the legal profession has evolved.
We have a number of rural communities here in California that A, don't have very many attorneys, and B, don't have an educational institution near them. So we wanted to create an online JD that was accessible more broadly in California.
The really great thing is I think it's going to be the future of law school. Traditional students and the traditional programs is what they've always seen before, and with the hybrid JD program, it's really going to change the way that we're able to learn.
You can go to a sports stadium and you'll see those pennants that fly in the outfield, and there's this line, flags fly forever. There's only one accredited law school in the state of California to be the first to have a hybrid JD program, and we're that school, and that flag will fly forever.
Are we going to really tell brilliant minds that they can't be attorneys because they have to work for a living? If anything, it shows a harder work ethic. It shows that these are people who are willing to do whatever it takes to fight for what they believe in. The people who founded the school did it for the right reasons, for the purpose of allowing anyone to join. And we're still doing that 50 years later.